Hi, I'm Matthieu from the RealSense team. A while ago, you saw me unbox the brand new AVerMedia SenseEdge Development Kit. I have it all installed on my desk, running right out of the box, and I wanted to show you how cool it is. So remember, it comes with a RealSense D457 GMSL camera. It's got all the FAKRA cable and connectors in the box. And notice it comes with a 4-port set of cables when it runs 8 RealSense cameras, but it comes with 4 out of the box. It comes with an Orin, an AGX Orin Jetson. You can see here I've got power, HDMI, I have a Logitech keyboard mouse dongle that I added, and an Ethernet cable to get internet. You've got the display up here. You open the terminal. The very first thing in the instructions, by the way, it's NVIDIA. NVIDIA is the credentials to log into Ubuntu. That's already preloaded on the system. The first thing you're going to do is run the RealSense viewer, which, by the way, RealSense SDK viewer, everything is all pre-installed on this robot in a box developer kit. So if we type RealSense viewer, there it is. We can turn on the RGB camera. There I am. See, it's coming from the 457. We can turn on the stereo depth map. There it is. And this camera has an IMU also, an inertial measurement unit that robots need for odometry. But you can see all the accelerometer and orientation is there in the viewer. So this is proof of life. Your camera, if it's not running the latest firmware, the RealSense viewer will prompt you to automatically install it. Just say yes. A minute later, your camera's on the latest, so now we know everything's working. So now let's have fun with the demo they provided on the AVerMedia GitHub repository. So I'm going to close this RealSense viewer. I'm going to open this other tab here, and I've already cloned the repository. I've CD'd into the SenseEdge directory. From here, you can run setup, which is in the instructions. I've already installed the setup, so I'm going to answer no to these questions. But what it's doing, it's checking for internet. It's going to download the YOLO models, the CUDA update. It just gets your environment set up. So I'm going to hit no to all of these questions. Okay, so that's ready. So let me clear the screen. The first thing it'll have you do is in the instructions is source the environment for Python. So that's simple. It's source, root, and then it's AVerMedia, RealSense, bin, activate. There it is. And then the next step, the last step in the demo is Python 3/demo, and it's launching. There it is. So what you've got is the RGB display on the side. It's doing human detection, so you can see a bounding box around me. And then you can see above, it's got the distance from me to the camera. So you're seeing like 0.67 meters. And then you've got your depth map there as well. So all the source code is right there in the directory. It's the beginning of a great step in robotics experimentation for developers. I'm super excited about this AVerMedia SenseEdge Developer Kit, and I'm looking forward to hacking some more on it. But I just wanted to take you on a test spin. It's awesome.